everyone. Today I'm going to do a very quick unboxing of this package that I received from Marshalls. I received this package because I entered one of their pen pal competitions that they were hosting on Pinterest and I won. So I'm very excited to show you all this unboxing because this is my first time that I've ever won anything in life. So I decided to film it on camera because it's not every day that you win anything, and if you don't record it, it's kind of like it never happened. So today I'm going to show you what I won through the competition. So this is what it looks like when you first open kit, so they must know that I like makeup a lot. I got a lipstick kit, this is a makeup organizer. I definitely need this because I have so much makeup and it's kind of all over the place. It's all over my dresser. I have like 2 makeup boxes that are not organized, so and I got an eyebrow kit. They must know that I love makeup brushes, a beauty blender, and I got a mason jar. That fits me perfectly because my last name is Mason, so mason jar. That's cute. And I got tweezers. Definitely gonna use that to go along with my eyebrow kit. And I got a little, what is this? Share the surprise. We love that you're our latest Marshalls pen pal, and now we can't wait to hear from you. Take pictures, share them, see the enclosed Marshalls gift cards. Use one to treat yourself and the other to surprise a friend with your own batch of Marshalls gems. And I got 2 gift cards. I love Marshalls. So I'm so excited that I am their pen pal. I cannot wait to pin all of this to my Pinterest board and to share the love. Thank you, Marshalls, for making me your pen pal. I'm so excited to try out all these new things you gave me. And yeah, thanks. Thanks so much for making me your Marshalls pen pal. This is so exciting! I'm so excited. Now the first thing I gotta do is go take a trip to Marshalls tomorrow. See what's on these gift cards. this game changer.